we are here today and we are going to be doing a gear review. We are reviewing Bigfoot Bushcraft Fire Plugs. They were kind enough to reach out to us and send us some of their product to test out and to do a review if we wanted to. And we were super impressed with this product. Stick around because we're going to tell you everything you want to know about these, and we're going to be doing a giveaway. Alright, so Bigfoot Bushcraft is a company based out of Colorado, and they have tested these fire starters in the Rocky Mountains. They've been tested in all of those harsh elements, in the snow, wind, rain, and they stand the test. They are wind resistant and water resistant. They have a 5-minute burn time, and they have a shelf life of 10+ years. So before this gear review, we have tested these out probably about 5 or 6 times, and they are like amazing. I've never been really good with a ferro rod, but every time I have lit these things, it's been like first or second strike. They are like really quick to catch. Another reason I like them is because they smell really good. You know how some of the other brands that you can get, they leave that film on your fingers and they smell just like poison, like propane, and it just feels like it seeps into your fingers and just smells really bad. These smell like a candle. They're like a really sweet smell. It's just cotton and wax. That's it, and they smell really good. So these little 1-inch fire plugs are super simple to use. All you do is you take it out of the little can, you break it, and you twist. And that's it. And then you just take the ferro rod, strike, and it should catch like the first or second go. Also, another little pro tip, if you cut this thing in half, you've got double the amount, double the lifetime. So as we mentioned before, Bigfoot Bushcraft was so kind to send us an extra set of the fire plugs and the tin. And so we just wanted to thank our subscribers for all their support and do a giveaway. To enter into the giveaway, you are going to make sure you are a subscriber, that you have liked this video, and comment down below Bigfoot Bushcraft. Also, in 2 weeks we're going to announce the winner in our community tab, so make sure you are subscribed and you've hit that notification bell just so that you don't miss out on this awesome opportunity to get some of these really great fire plugs. So good luck, guys. So if y'all are looking to stock up on your fire plugs or just to test out this product, Bigfoot Bushcraft was kind enough to give us a 15% off discount code. We're going to leave that discount code in the description below, as well as in a pinned comment. All you got to do is plug that code in at checkout and you'll get 15% off your entire cart. This is a quality product. It is really awesome and we know that you will enjoy it. Thank you, Bigfoot Bushcraft, for reaching out to us and letting us test out your product. Thank you guys for supporting us. We really appreciate it. Please like, comment, subscribe, and hit that notification bell.